Hello students, in this video I will explain how to follow the steps to write a summary. The first step is to read through the passage and find its theme or what the writer is talking about. The theme or topic will be the title of your summary. The theme or topic here is earthquake. After selecting the topic, you can see how the theme is developed and write down the main points in the form of numbered notes of the following kind, like terror from earthquakes. A title could be more, you can put the title like in this way: earthquake, the great enemy; damage done by earthquakes, that is a general topic. Then damage done by earthquakes, particular instance, you can refer. If it is mentioned, the passage talks about particular region where it is affected by earthquake, then you can mention that particular area, then it is particular instance. And task before the scientist, this could be the other title that you can select from the passage. That means the title speaks of the whole of the text. What is there in the text will be represented in the title. So title should be like this: task before the scientist, challenges before the scientist, or how to prevent from earthquakes, etc. This could be the title. Then next step is to fill out the bare frames with important details to get a fuller outline. So make the points. Terror from earthquake. Earthquake, the great enemy. That means it strikes everywhere. It has very great power. Damage done by the earthquakes in general, if you take in a city, a gas mains bursts, then explosion and fires everywhere, buildings collapse, then bridges and dams fall, etc. The underground railways wrecked, crevices on streets, on the sea. If the earthquake is on the sea, use tidal waves, mountain ridges, avalanches. These are the main points. And next, you can extend all the points of the title that we selected there. Earthquakes in general and earthquakes in particular instances. Earthquake in particular instances given were: one is Lisbon, Alaska, Peru, etc. It is given in the text. So damage done by earthquakes, particular instances. Take particular instances. One, Lisbon. Lisbon, 1755. A city destroyed, 450 killed. In Peru, 1970, 5,000 killed. In Alaska, in 1968, only a few killed. Entire subcontinent shifted 80 feet into ocean. Task before the scientist. Last title, the task before the scientists. What are the tasks? Difficult to deal with the irresistible forces and can only work. What can only work? To pinpoint earthquake prone areas. That is what the scientists did so far. They pinpoint, they locate the earthquake prone areas, and to help people take precautionary measures. You can help the people to take precautionary measures. They could move if the signals provided by the scientist, so that they can move. So these are the main points. Let us use these notes to write first draft of the summary, which could be follows. So while writing the summary, you can use one word substitutions. You need not repeat the words. You can use substitutes. The earth itself becomes our enemy when an earthquake strikes. Every country in the world is threatened by the tremendous fury of earthquakes. Their power exceeds all the forces released by humankind. When a city is hit, buildings fall, explosions and fires started, underground railways are wrecked, crevices appear on streets, bridges and dams fall, huge tidal waves rise on the sea, avalanches roar down the mountainside. An earthquake in Lisbon in 1755 destroyed the city, killed 450 persons. In Peru, 50,000 died in an earthquake in 1970. The subcontinent of Alaska was pushed 80 feet into the sea in 1968. Faced with such tremendous forces which cannot be resisted, scientists can only pinpoint the earthquake areas and take suitable steps to minimize the harm. So this is how you have to tackle with the issues. Then it all comes to 130 words. The passage was for 340 words that I read it in the other video. Now the summary, it has come to 130 words. There are another efforts to reduce the passage into further lessen the draft. The first draft can be condensed further by omitting more details, by pruning the language used. By pruning means cut short. Here is the second draft. Earthquakes whose destructive power exceeds all the forces created by humankind threaten every country in the world. When a city is hit, buildings fall, explosions and fires are started, underground railways are wrecked, wide crevices appear on the streets, bridges and dams fall, huge tidal waves rise on the sea, and avalanches roar down the mountain sides. An earthquake in Lisbon in 1755 destroyed the city and killed many. In Peru, 50,000 people were killed in 1970. The subcontinent of Alaska was pushed 80 feet into the sea in 1968. Faced with such irresistible forces, scientists can only pinpoint earthquake areas, and take steps to minimize the harm. This runs 108 words. This passage summary, it runs 108 words. Further, you can reduce it, you can minimize it, the paragraph. The summary above would be a precis. Precis is somewhat bringing the passage into one third. If the words are 90, if there are 90 words, you can reduce to 30 words. That is precis writing. So see how you can condense it further to draft an abstract. So that becomes an abstract. That means picking the main points. Now it has reduced to 78 words here. Earthquakes which strike every part of the earth possesses such great power that they cause extensive damage. Buildings, bridges, railways are wrecked, and explosions and fires are caused, are the dangerous avalanches and mountain sides and huge tidal waves. Earthquakes caused death and destruction in Lisbon and in Peru. An earthquake in 1970, an earthquake shifted, that is in brackets. Date is given in brackets. An earthquake shifted the subcontinent of Alaska 80 feet into the sea. Scientists cannot stop earthquakes, but they can pinpoint earthquake areas for people to be warned. So this comes to 78 words. The summary is now reduced to 78 words. This is nothing but precis, but you are not going to write the precis. This is just an example. And how the abstract of the passage will be, it can further reduce to 43 words. First draft of the abstract is still too long. It can be condensed further. How you can condense? Earthquake strike everywhere. Earthquakes strike everywhere and cause extensive damage by their great power. Destruction of building and other structures, avalanches, huge tidal waves, and even shifting of subcontinents. By scientists can pinpoint earthquake areas and alert people. So this is reduced to 43 words. This is only the abstract. This does not cover all the points, all the important points of the passage. It only covers the abstract. So that is it. This is how you can reduce the passage into summary by adding a substitute, by reducing unnecessary things and making use of the important points in the summary. You can minimize the passage, and while condensing it into smaller one, you need not use repeated words. You can only highlight the important points of the passage, the important parts of the text. So that is called summary. So read the summary, make the points, and then write it. Arrange your writings in a proper way so that it gives you fuller meaning, complete meaning. Thank you.